All right, good day, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a wallpaper design. So it's been quite a long time I made videos for you guys. So I'll be making three videos for these remaining days of this year before 2023. So I'm going to show you how to make your wallpaper design, so you can make your personal designs. Like when you make designs, you put them on your wallpaper so that you use them. You can share them to people who use them. Then your design can go far. Understand? So I'm going to be teaching you how to make this, and also, if you are new to this channel, please do it to subscribe. Please, I beg you to share with your friends. Like and comment. I don't actually receive much comment on my videos, so you can actually comment. So first and first, so what you do, I want to start from beginning. First of all, you need to go to the internet and search for your phone size. So my phone size is actually at 9 by 20 9 by 20, so that should be 720 by 1600, and this is it. So first of all, what I will do is add in the background, which is this red color. You can copy db0019, so that's it. And the next thing is put it right up. Positive. So I'm going to change this to Bebas. Bebas new. I'm going to make it bigger and then rotate. So this is it, and I'm going to lock it and then duplicate. And so my writer will just be positive. So this is it. So I'm going to make this smaller. I'm going to lock it, and I want to centralize the two, then mark both of them together, and then going to centralize. Sorry, it's not actually going the way as planned, so I'm going to use the second one, which is this. Most times your write-up will cut at the edge, so we try not to put it at the edge. So change this color to yellow. And it's already long, so I import my image. So this is not a long design. Photo of a woman. So this is the image I used, and this is it. I think it's too much. So be positive. So I'm going to add a little shadow to it, and this is the shadow I picked. And so I'll take it to the front a little. So I'm going to return the opacity so that it should fine. So a little drop shadow on it, and then I'm going to mark this. So adding my name, simple graphics, and I'm going to be using autograph. So I can decide to turn the color to yellow so that it will match, but actually I prefer to leave it white. So this is it, and I'll add a little fill, which is this, and I'm going to pick the red color to give it a feel. So this is it, and we are good to go. Okay, so I'm putting a little noise to it. I think we are good to go like this. So I've come to the end of this video. Please do to subscribe. Now make your design simple. Make your design, your wallpaper simple. No much write up and the rest. You understand? So thank you guys for joining me today, and God bless.